What if writing code felt like having a genius partner by your side 24/7? Today, we're diving into the most exciting GenAI tools that are revolutionizing how developers build software in 2025. Let's start with the big one, GitHub Copilot. Copilot uses OpenAI's codex to understand your intent and autocomplete entire functions, like magic. It's like pair programming with an AI that read Stack Overflow 10 million times. Next, Amazon codewhisperer, optimized for AWS cloud devs. It suggests code tailored to AWS services. Think of it as Copilot's cousin who's obsessed with the cloud. Then there's Tabnine, a privacy-focused AI assistant trained on permissive open source code. Great for teams that care about keeping their code base private and secure. But GenAI isn't just for writing code, it's also transforming how we test and debug. Take Cody by SourceGraph. It helps you search your code base semantically and fix issues faster. Need documentation? GenAI can write that too. Imagine writing thousands of lines of clean documented code without burning out. Let's break this down. How does GenAI actually work? GenAI tools use large language models trained on billions of lines of code, comments, and documentation. They learn patterns in code, just like how ChatGPT learns language, but fine-tuned for software. These models don't think, but they're really good at predicting what comes next. Let's see GenAI in action with a real-world example. Within minutes, the dev finishes a working app with code suggestions and no Google searches. This is the power of GenAI. It's not replacing developers, it's supercharging them. But remember, it's still your job to verify, refactor, and understand the code. As we move forward, GenAI will become as common as autocomplete, just way smarter. So whether you're a seasoned dev or just getting started, these tools can help you level up fast. Which GenAI tool are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dev-friendly AI insights every week.